This is my 2020 BMW GSA. Spent thousands of dollars on it. Just got back from being towed. First time I've broken down on the highway. Just doing 75 miles per hour on the highway. And out of nowhere, just decides to not run anymore. The engine's fine. I'll show you. Seems to be running fine. Okay. Now, when I put it in gear, listen to this. Sounds interesting, eh? Now that stopped. That worked. That in the middle of the highway, me just coming off the gas a little bit, and that's what happened. To me, it seems like the final drive shaft. Okay. I was doing about 75, 78 on the highway, and just started to get all jerky, and it almost seemed like the rear wheel almost froze up a little bit. But I don't know, I was riding, so thank God I didn't fall. And fuck you very much, BMW.